Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative video. This is Mahnoor and you are watching How2M.
What a boring day. I wish something exciting would happen. Peaceful days are a blessing, Ali. We should enjoy them.
Come faster, Hamza. We need more firewood before dark.
Slow down, Ali. The forest feels strange today. Did you hear that sound? Someone must be hiding there. We should be careful first. Not every danger can be fought with anger. I'm not scared of anything. Ali, wait. Don't rush without thinking. Hamza, help me. I'm falling.
Hold tight, Ali. Don't let go.
Grab the branch carefully. Thank you, Hamza. I almost fell.
I should have listened to you. My anger almost got me hurt.
Strength is important, Ali. But wisdom keeps us safe.
In this video, our character is very consistent. And the character is speaking dialogues perfectly, completely flawless. Friends, you can make this full video using AI on your mobile phone for free and that too in just 10 minutes. Today I will teach you step by step how to make this kind of video. So let's start without wasting time. To make this type of cartoon video, first you need a good story. If you can write your own story, that's great, use it. But if you want AI to do the work, you can use ChatGPT. Still, I suggest you try writing your own story. But since I'm using AI, I will show you how to generate a story using ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Write a story about two friends. One is stubborn and a bit aggressive, while the other is gentle and wise. Start the story in a peaceful way, add some suspense in the middle, and end with a clear moral. Use simple language and keep the story around 1 minute long. Then press enter. Now you can see ChatGPT has created a very nice story with a moral. If you don't like it, you can ask for another one. But I like this story, so now I will say, give me 3D cartoon video prompts for each scene. Make sure both characters stay the same in every scene. All scenes should be connected. Add dialogues so characters speak correctly. Write visuals and dialogues in English. Add full character description in brackets everywhere they appear. Clearly mention who speaks each dialogue. Now the final prompts are ready. Now open Google and type flow in the search bar, then press enter. The first result will be the Google Labs website. Click on it and open it. You will see an interface similar to the one shown on your screen. Scroll down until you see the subscription plans. Click on the free plan. Check both boxes and click next. Then scroll down and click continue. You are now logged in. The dashboard will open. Click on new project to get started. Now copy scene 1 prompt and paste here in the prompt box. But don't copy dialogue lines, otherwise text will appear in the image. Click Nano Banana 2. Select image. Select frame. You can generate a maximum of 4 images at a time using the same prompt. Then you can choose and use whichever one you like best. However, for now, I'll select the 2 times option. Click enter. Now your images are ready. Whichever image looks best, you can download it. On the image, you will see 3 dots in the top corner. Click on them, then select the third option, download. The image will be saved to your device. Now to make video, click on plus icon, select image. Select video, select 1x, click generate. After a few seconds of loading, the video will be generated. Your first scene video is ready.
What a boring day. I wish something exciting would happen. Peaceful days are a blessing, Ali. We should enjoy them.
Now pause where you want scene 2. Click extend. Copy scene to prompt and paste. Click generate. Your second scene is ready.
Come faster, Hamza. We need more firewood before dark.
Slow down, Ali. The forest feels strange today.
You can also upload previous images to keep characters consistent. Now repeat this process for all scenes.
Did you hear that sound? Someone must be hiding there. We should be careful first. Not every danger can be fought with anger. I'm not scared of anything. Ali, wait. Don't rush without thinking.
Now download all the video clips one by one. If there is a watermark, just zoom and adjust. Add small sound effects and transitions if needed. Background music is already there, so no need to add more. And your cartoon video is ready. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.